Want to create powerful case studies and testimonials quickly with AI writing? In this tutorial, I'll show you how AI can help you streamline the process and craft compelling content that resonates with your audience. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we'll use today, available only to viewers of this channel. First off, when you're creating case studies or testimonials, you want to focus on structure. Using AI writing tools can save you a ton of time by generating ideas, organizing the content, and polishing your drafts. The first step is to start by giving the AI a bit of context. Whether it's a case study or testimonial, the AI needs some basic information about the subject, who the client is, what problem they faced, and how your product or service helped them. This is where you input specific details about the customer experience. Once you've provided those details, let the AI generate the first draft. The software will take your input and produce a narrative that you can work with, usually with a clean structure, like an introduction, problem, solution, and outcome. This makes it super easy to see exactly how your case study or testimonial will unfold. Next, you'll want to refine the output. AI isn't perfect, and you may need to adjust tone, tweak the wording, or add more specific details to make the case study or testimonial feel authentic. This is where the editing process becomes key, but with AI, it's a lot faster than starting from scratch. Another pro tip: be sure to inject emotion into your case studies and testimonials. AI can help you emphasize the human aspect of the story, but you'll want to make sure the narrative highlights not just the results, but the feelings of your client or customer. This is what makes testimonials so effective. When it comes to testimonials, AI can even suggest different formats, whether it's a short quote, a detailed paragraph, or even a longer narrative. You can choose what fits best for your brand and style. Now, here's the part where it gets really exciting. If you want to follow along with the software we're using today, I've got an exclusive free trial for you. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so be sure to check the description below to get your hands on it. As a quick takeaway, using AI writing for case studies and testimonials is a game changer. It allows you to craft compelling, emotional stories faster than ever before while maintaining quality. You can generate drafts quickly, refine them in your own voice, and focus on what really matters, sharing real experiences from real people. Remember, if you want to try the software we use today, click the link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.